Yesterday's filming. Right now I'm actually on the way to RJ's shop, so I'll get some in the cab driving experience for you guys. These tires, actually get some acceleration videos that are probably actually not blurry due to the GoPro, and that's what we're gonna do. And then we're gonna start the video series on the suspension. At least that's the goal. So we'll see what happens. It is a beautiful 77-degree day in upstate New York today. We are in phase 1 of the coronavirus, you know, freedom, whatever they're doing here, but that's what we're doing. Say goodbye to the house. We only got a couple of weeks left here, and we're off. We'll just get up to temp a little bit. Shouldn't take too long. It's a beautiful day, fellas. It's a beautiful day. Guys, the driving experience with these new 420s is honestly awesome, and I just realized that I'm not going the way that I need to be going. Very smooth, very quiet. It's not knobby anymore. The truck is definitely a little bit quicker. There's a cop right over there, so I don't know if I'm turning right on red or RJ, if I come back and these amp steps are on the truck, I won't be mad. You know, just saying. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. So you've missed most of it, but I'm gonna fill you in here as we're going forward. So I'm over at my buddy RJ's shop. He's helping me with removing the suspension out of the 2500 HD. We are getting it ready for powder coat. So as you guys can see, what we've done so far already is we've taken the nice Whirly Custom Fab traction bars off, and then we've disassembled the leaf springs in the pack. Well, I haven't done so much. Over there has done it. We're just kind of gonna, we got the hitch off, that's gonna get done as well. And then, yeah, here we go. Is that the keys? You got. So what are you doing right now, Bob?
Unloading the torsion bars.
We're unloading the torsion. Oh, those are getting coated as well. So if those come right out, I will take them and put them over in the pile. You guys haven't actually seen this because I've been. Bub, do you see my nice red transmission?
Yeah. Beautiful.
It is beautiful. This has got to get fixed. There's the man, the myth, the legend.
Pretty good for just being put together.
Should I get the actual key powder coated, or is that a bad idea?
You could, but not too many people are crawling around underneath your truck about.
I know, it's just a rush bucket. All right.
Well, let's show up the training.
Did you see my trans?
Yeah, it looks nice. It's good when you paint them right, because then you can't see when they leak. Yeah.
Asshole.
mark those what right to left too.
Why would we do that?
I gotta pull the extra shaft out.
You wanna know what we can do? We can just, this will all come out.
Don't you love GMs?
There's a chance we can pick that up, shove that forward, and then drop the bar through the front of it.
Well, I figure once I get that extra shaft out of the way.
Yeah, because Cognito Lift a nice thing. It's supposed to be straight, and it is.
So, not for nothing, I asked Bub.
It's got the instructions still.
I asked Bub if he wanted this. They're the instructions, but he said they're just nuts and bolts. So,
Yeah.
no, we don't do that here.
Man made them, man. I'll take it apart, put it right back down.
All right, I'm gonna give these guys a hand. I'll be back with you in a little bit. So what we're actually trying to do right now is label the leaf springs so we know which one's on the driver's side, torsion bar, so we know which one's the driver's side and the passenger side and which side's the front and which side's the rear, so they go back in
It's the middle one.
the way that they came out.
There you go.
It won't focus, but well, it says LR for left rear. Oh. RJ, where's your rivet gun? Or we actually need a drill. I gotta drill this out.
Oh yeah, I'll get that out. See that one's out?
Yeah, we got an air hammer for that.
Yeah, everything's
I'll show you how.
everything's an air hammer. What do you guys think about powder coating the shield? What's this stupid thing called?
Skid plate?
Skid plate.
Yeah, what color are you gonna do? Red or black?
That's what I'm asking. What do you think? Probably candy red like the rest of it, right?
I would. It's a big piece.
This is way above my pay grade.
Well, if you're paying attention, you gotta put this back together. We're just gonna watch.
Yeah. Took a day and a half to have another shop put this together. I think we're gonna have the whole thing disassembled in an hour and 15 minutes, front and back. Do you powder coat the calipers? That's another question. Don't know what Bub's doing. He's in a world of his own. All right, everybody, let's take a quick break and see what we've done so far. Why won't this focus? There we go, now it's in focus. All right, let's take a break. I'll show you guys what we've done so far. Just have a few things to do, and then we should be all ready. So, got the uppers out, got the bushings out, the ball joints out. I still have to drill these rivets out to take the badges off, and then these will be all set for powder coat. Same thing goes for the front cross member here. Just have to drill that out so that can get riveted back in after powder coat. Let me just check here. Yep, little rivets. The lower control arms. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those. I'd like to get them powder coated, but I have to get these bushings out, and there's the lower ball joint. Same thing for the, what is this? Passenger side. Driver side. Passenger side? No. Passenger side. Driver side. I can't tell anymore. Hitches out. The hitch is out. Yes, hands are dirty. I do work. Got the knuckles, those are getting sent out. Sway bar, those are getting sent out. Everything that we have basically here, except the already powder coated Whirly Custom Fab, is going to get powder coated in some fashion or another. So that's kind of where we are. I'm going to finish up. They're talking outside. It's been about an hour and a half. We've got literally the entire suspension off the truck right now, and yeah, that's where we're at. So I'll pick this back up in a little bit. Tie rods, not sure what I'm going to do with those. Kryptonite has lifetime warranty. Bring you over here. If you can see, this boot, if it focuses, I'll stay up. All right, hold on. This boot, if you can see, has a crack in it. So we're going to be reaching out to Kryptonite on that, and maybe I can get some new tie rods. I wouldn't hold your breath though. So, yeah, I don't know. It's been an interesting morning, or an interesting day, interesting afternoon. Everything's out, and I'm looking forward to getting this off the powder coat probably tomorrow, and then you know, we'll take it back for the install once everything gets to come back together. So, especially Ford's sitting over here, rotors, calipers, those are in question. I have to check to see what needs to be done to the calipers if I wanted to actually get these powder coated. You know, because it's gonna go into an oven, and there's some boots and stuff in here. I just want to make sure I don't damage that. But you know, the brakes heat up to a couple hundred degrees anyways, so you know, I can't think of it being any different than it going in an oven. But I'm not the expert. I'll ask the powder coater. All right, we're done. We're done for the evening. So I'm about to wrap up right now. You can see, guys, everything is off the truck. I'm leaving the tie rods for now and the calipers because the pistons need to be taken out and the seals. That's another day. Everything's sitting over here. I'm gonna come back in the morning, pick all this up except the traction bars, and this is going out for powder coat. So looking forward to that. But I think this is where we're gonna call it, guys. I'm doing the lower A-arms. I know this is frowned against by some, but I'm doing them. We had to press the ball joints out. That was very difficult. I just saw a machine used for the first time in my life that was actually pretty cool. We've debadged the Cognito upper A-arms. I'm gonna probably get those powder coated black to go back on the red. I think it will look really, really mint. But RJ, say hi to the vlog. RJ don't care about the vlog. But this is how we're gonna leave it tonight. I hope you liked this video. If you did, guys, if you did, please subscribe. We've got a suspension powder coat series coming. Probably gonna have about another, at least 1 or 2 more videos in regards to the powder coat. But beyond that, if you like this, smash that subscribe button and tune in the next video, guys. I'll see ya. Bye.